Nestled in the embrace of Taroudant, the city of ramparts and the Kasbah, stands a landmark carrying layers of history within its walls. This was once Bahia's fortress, the city's first line of defense. Thick clay walls and spaces that once witnessed guarding and watch duty, before the place transformed over time into a home pulsing with life. In 1958, Haj Abed El Aissi, the self-made man who came from Taroudant and rose to become one of the great merchants, bought this fortress. He made it a family home and a center that brought together notables, merchants, and scholars. Here, trade was conducted, knowledge was exchanged, and relationships were built. Decades later, his granddaughter Latifa El Aissi returned from Geneva. She chose to preserve the legacy as it was. She restored the old walls, the courtyards, and the ornamentation, and opened the doors of the place in 2004 as an authentic guest house, Riad El Aissi. Today, it spans 21 hectares of orchards, orange and olive trees more than 70 years old. The original Riad, 7 independent villas, douiras, and a pool overlooking the Atlas Mountains. A tranquil haven recommended by international travel guides. And the story isn't over yet. The vision now is to transform the place into an upscale tourist resort. Villas with authentic Moroccan character surrounding the historic Riyadh without touching it. The old fortress remains the heart of the place, a living witness to the family's continuity, from the Pasha to Haj Abed to Latifa and to the generations to come. Riad El Aissi is not just a stay, it's a heritage story that breathes.
Riad El Aissi is not just a stay, it's a heritage story that breathes.